Hello and welcome back to another great smoothie bowl recipe. Today we're going to be making the tropical Bliss. So all the ingredients will be right above right here, so you can get started on making this. So what you're going to need is half a cup of frozen blackberries, half a cup of mixed berries, half a banana cut in half, save the rest for later, and then you're going to use 2 scoops of your vanilla protein powder. Alright, so let's get started. So first what we're going to do is, in our blender, we're going to add all our frozen ingredients. So adding the blackberries, adding the mixed berries that are frozen. We're going to add half a banana. You're going to add 2 scoops of your vanilla protein powder. And it's your choice. I'm using a pea-based protein powder here, and it is vanilla. 2 scoops there. We're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of your almond milk. Alright, and then we're going to blend. Alright. Pour the ingredients into your bowl here. And it comes out in a very rich, velvety color. It's so pretty. And now for the rest of your toppings, which will be the sliced kiwi and the half a banana and the hemp seed. So we're going to go ahead and slice that banana. And you just add that onto your bowl, right on top. This is where you can take time, make it pretty, and just be so proud of yourself that you made this beautiful creation, and your body is going to relish in this and enjoy it so much. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some kiwi too. This is why we call that tropical bliss, adding that kiwi in there. And then some of the other add-ins you can do too to make it even more tropical is you can add in some mango, frozen. You can also do some frozen pineapple or even fresh pineapple, and you can put that on top. So then I'm going to take the hemp seed and then sprinkle that all over there. You want to do that 1 tablespoon. Because remember, that's going to give you those great omegas that you need. And it's beautiful. And let's go ahead and take a look at that. Voila. Picture perfect. Go ahead, let's give that a taste and see how that is. It tastes delicious. Alright, so remember, enjoy this, and if you want to, you can double. We just made 1 serving, so you can double the ingredients to make 2 servings, which you can freeze and set aside for another time, and then you want to pull it out overnight for the day that you want to have that smoothie bowl. You're going to add a little bit of ice to it, put it back in the blender to make it more thick, and then top it to your desire. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.